Hello dear subscribers, that will tell how you can easily fix your problem on your iPhone. So if you have black screen on your iPhone and your phone doesn't respond on your touch, so how you can fix it? So for fixing it, you just need to make force restart on your phone. So it depends on the model of iPhone you have, because I will tell you an example of iPhone X, iPhone 11 and iPhone 12. So iPhone with Face ID. If you have another model of iPhone, just find in Google what combination of buttons you need to press to make force restart. So on this model of iPhone, you just need to press on high volume button, then on low volume button, and just keep and hold power button until you will see black screen. So just keep holding power button until you will see black screen. So after, just wait a second and just release your finger from power button. Now we need to see Apple logo. So when we will see Apple logo, it means that we successfully made force restart. So here it is. So now your system will load, and I hope that your problem will fixed. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.